Today we are going to look at the flags of the Confederacy during the Civil War and their impact on southern states today. Flags are filled with symbols and themes. For example, the Union Jack, the flag of Great Britain, is a unifying symbol. When you combine St. George's Cross, the flag of England, with St. Andrew's Cross, the flag of Scotland, and St. Patrick's flag, the one-time flag of Ireland, you get the Union Jack. The original flag of the United States has 13 stars and 13 stripes. The stripes represent the original 13 colonies, and the stars count the total number of states. This is the first official flag of the Confederacy. It is called the Stars and Bars. The 7 stars on this version of the flag shown here represent the 7 original Confederate states: South Carolina, Mississippi, Florida, Alabama, Georgia, Louisiana, and Texas. This is the more common seen Confederate battle flag called the Southern Cross. After confusion in battle, General Beauregard changed the design. It has 13 stars for the 11 seceding states, and then 2 added for Missouri and Kentucky, whose efforts to secede failed. This is the Confederate naval battle flag. This is probably the most widely recognized symbol of the Confederacy. This is the second national flag. It's called the Stainless Banner. The white field from which the name Stainless Banner was derived is symbolic for the purity of the cause which it represented. This new flag was created to drape over the coffin of General Thomas Stonewall Jackson as it lay in state in the Confederate House of Representatives. Because the second national flag's white field could be mistaken for a flag of surrender, a red bar was added to the end of the stainless white field. This flag was adopted just 36 days before the surrender of the Army of Northern Virginia on April 9th. The Bonnie Blue flag has been used by various groups seeking independence. Although never officially adopted by the Confederate government, the people did, and this flag is incorporated into 5 of the southern states that adopted new flags in 1861. Symbols of the Confederacy are still present in several southern state flags today. The state of Mississippi still flies the Confederate cross on their state flag. The Arkansas state flag has a diamond on it because this is the only state where diamonds have been discovered. It also has 3 blue stars signifying their former masters, France, Spain, and the United States. It also carries a Bonnie Blue star to reference Arkansas's role in the Confederacy. In 1956, Georgia adopted a new state flag that incorporated the Confederate battle flag in its design. This flag was introduced 2 years after Brown v. Board of Education, and it represented Georgia's legislature's protest against forced integration. Georgia's flag today resembles the Stars and Bars of the Confederacy. Although it is a symbol of the Confederacy, it lacks the segregationist overtones of the Southern Cross. For years, South Carolina has flown the Confederate battle flag across their state house, even when other southern states took theirs down. Eventually, South Carolina removed the flag from their state house and put it next door to their Capitol building at a Confederate memorial. The Confederate battle flag remains a controversial topic even today. The Southern Cross has been described variously as a proud emblem of the Southern heritage and as a shameful reminder of slavery and segregation.
Down with the eagle and up with the cross, we will rally around the bonnie flag, we'll rally once again. Shout, shout the battle cry of freedom.